the elimination of taxes on Social Security benefits, and the $94 billion of savings for seniors. I have all the details for you here in the video. Let's get right into it. All right, now for several months now, we've been hearing this elimination of federal taxes on Social Security benefits. As of right now, it has not been repealed yet, but this is still very much a talking point that they do want to do. But I want to share with you the details as far as how much this would save and who would be subject to this, because there's a lot of seniors out there, especially as they have not raised these brackets in which Social Security benefits are taxable. Therefore, as benefits continue to rise, which they do pretty much every single year because of the COLA and more people coming on to Social Security benefits, but as a result, more and more people are falling into the bracket in which their Social Security benefits are taxable, and then making it a little bit more difficult. And again, we see more and more money coming into Social Security, as well as I do want to discuss what this would mean for the trust fund, according to some statistics that are out there, and what it would mean for the insolvency of the trust fund in the event federal taxes are eliminated from Social Security benefits, which, by the way, I'm talking about federal taxes. I'm not talking about the handful of states out there that are still taxing your Social Security benefit on the state level as well, right? I don't know. It just seems kind of funny that these little tiny states out there are saying, oh, we got to tax your Social Security benefit. Really? Leave the seniors alone. I don't know. That's just my opinion about it. Leave them alone. They're trying to enjoy their retirement. They've already paid in a ton through their entire working career. Just leave them alone, right? I don't think they're going to be, I don't think they're going to miss the couple $100 million or whatever it is that they get out of seniors every year in taxes on their benefit. Okay, anyway, that's the state level. Okay, we're talking about federal taxes though. Okay, so we've been hearing about for many months now that the administration wants to eliminate Social Security taxes, right? Now, to clarify really quickly, I'm not talking about the payroll tax. That is the main source of income for Social Security as far as how they pay their benefits out, right? I'm not talking about payroll taxes. I'm talking about the taxation of Social Security benefits. That basically happens that when somebody goes in and they file for the Social Security retirement benefit, if their other income aside from their benefit is above certain thresholds, $25,000 as an individual or $32,000 as a married couple, now their benefits are taxable at different rates, in which I'll share with you here in the video in just a minute, right? But here's what they've suggested is that if they were to eliminate federal taxes on Social Security benefits, right now, in 2025, as I film this video in 2025, they're projecting this year that Social Security is going to gain about $94 billion in taxation of benefits. So basically what that means is that you've worked your entire life, you've paid in through Social Security payroll taxes, you're retired and you're receiving your benefit, and now they're clawing back $94 billion from seniors in the form of taxation to your monthly benefit. Some people call this double taxation. Other people say it's my benefit, don't touch it, you know what I mean? But that's just what it is. Now that's right now. Over a course of 10 years, okay, they always look at things over 10-year periods of time. They've suggested over a 10-year period of time, this will basically, cost, I don't want to say cost because it's not costing, but basically Social Security would not be, if they eliminated Social Security, the taxation of Social Security benefits, it would basically be $1 trillion plus that Social Security would not be bringing in through this taxation. So $94 billion this year for 2025, but over a 10-year period of time, it would translate into over $1 trillion of money that would not be going to Social Security. Now, they've also said that this would probably increase or move closer to the insolvency date by probably 1 full year, right? So insolvency right now, depends on which reports you look at, is out there somewhere around the 2033-ish range, possibly sooner, especially now that they signed the Social Security Fairness Act into law. That's a thing. It's probably going to be more like 2032 and 6 months or something like that. Somewhere around that range is where we're currently sitting. But if they combine the trust funds, then it's going to be out a little bit further than that. It just depends. There's a lot of moving parts there. Kind of depends on the report. But this could potentially bring insolvency, according to what they're saying, closer by 1 full year, okay? Just because of that extra revenue that'd be not brought into Social Security through the taxation of benefits. Now, who would be eligible for this, or I shouldn't say eligible, who would be subject to Social Security taxes on their monthly benefit? Is it everybody? No, it's not everybody. Definitely not everybody. But it is getting to be a larger and larger percentage of the beneficiary because of benefits moving higher and the brackets in which benefits are taxable is not moving, and it hasn't moved in many, many decades. Okay, so here's what it is. An individual that earns between $25,000 and $34,000 could see 50% of their benefit taxable. Okay, so 50% of the benefit could be taxed at that point if their income aside from their monthly benefit is between the ranges of $25,000 and $34,000. If their income as an individual is above $34,000, now 85% of their benefit is now taxable on the federal level. Okay, let's talk about a married couple. A married couple, if your income aside from your monthly benefit is over $32,000, you would then be looking at a 50%, up to 50% of your benefit could be taxable at that point. Between $32,000 and $44,000, 50% of your benefit is taxable. Not to be mistaken with a 50% tax, but rather 50% of your benefit is taxable. Does that kind of make sense? Okay, and then again, as a married couple, if your income, aside from your monthly benefit, is over $44,000 a year, then up to 85% of your benefit could be taxable. Again, not an 85% tax bracket or rate. That's very bad. That'd be like basically all your money. No, it's up to 85% of your benefit would then be taxable, right? There's a big, big difference there. Anyway, we'll have to see what happens here. Again, with the new administration, we will see, are they going to eliminate the federal tax? Are they not? What are they going to do here? There's been a lot of pushback, which I don't know. I mean, I can understand the argument from both sides. Some people say, yes, you eliminate the tax right away. And other people say, no, don't eliminate the tax. I just feel like, why would we not keep more money in the pockets of seniors? I don't get that, right? I mean, I get it. But, when I look at it from both sides, I feel like, isn't the goal here to keep money in the pockets of seniors during their retirement? I don't know, right? Isn't that the goal? And why they would want to eliminate taxes on the benefit? But then they also say, but this will increase insolvency or bring insolvency sooner, which I understand that. I get it, if that's the case there. But then they have to do something else to generate more income so that they don't become insolvent sooner. I don't know. There's just a lot of different details here. But either way, let's see what happens here with the administration. Are they going to do this? Will they do it? When are they going to do it? Will there be some kind of retroactive, benefits for the people? Would it go back a year? Would it go back, would it be effective immediately? What are the parameters? We're still waiting to learn more about that. Either way, I'll keep you posted on this, but again, just want to point that out for you really quickly. Kind of interesting, the $94 billion this year and the over $1 trillion over the course of the next 10 years. I don't know. It's a lot of money that essentially should be in the pockets of beneficiaries, but it's not. It's not going to be currently as we currently sit. But if they change the law, then now that money's in the pockets of seniors. I don't know. Take your pick. So anyway, hope this helps you. I will continue to keep you posted on any further details on this or anything in regards to Social Security, your monthly benefit, any changes to the program, any raises, any increases, new legislation, new laws like we've already been seeing, anything in regards to programs, stuff like that. Again, I will continue to keep you posted. I'm watching the headlines literally every single day, and I will help you out in any way that I possibly can. That's my dedication, and as always, I'm sticking to it. If I can ask a huge, huge favor of you, number one, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you're new here or if you haven't done so yet, there's a big subscribe button down below. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate that. Otherwise, if you can think of a couple people that benefit from this information, friends, family members, siblings, by the way, yeah, right, siblings, feel free to share this video with them. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. There's a share button right down below. Thank you so much. Otherwise, just feel free to share it with your friends on social media. That's always helpful as well. Again, just thank you so much. I really, really appreciate the support here on the channel. Otherwise, check out the well over 5,000 videos here on the channel in the video library. Otherwise, down below in the description or the top of the comment section, I've hand-selected some very popular videos for you there. Check those out. Or right now, popping up on the screen as well, you'll see some videos. Check those out. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Have a nice day. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you again soon.